Another way that we use it is we can track user behavior down to the actual individual on the site by linking it to our email database.
Yep.
And create hot lists. So we can segment who's been the most active on the website in the last 2 weeks. They are targets for follow-up calls or for automated emails, etc. What other uses in that way? Or do you find your clients using Google Analytics?
It's always going to come to that same model, that ACE model, right? So it's awareness, which is how many people were aware of the thing in the first place. That's your Facebook traffic coming in. You're like, oh, I know all these different traffic sources. We don't necessarily know if it's productive or not yet, but we know it generates traffic to those pages. And then it's measuring for what's the purpose of that page. What is it supposed to do? And to your point, with like a hot buyer, a hot lead type of thing, it's what's the unique difference between somebody who's a hot lead and somebody who's not, right? Who's just a browser, who's just going to kick the tires. And so you think about the different behaviors of those two, that's what you measure for. And that's how you know, okay, I'm going to group the segment of individuals that have these hot lead type behaviors, and we're going to pull them aside, and then we're going to accelerate emails to them, right? Something like that. So there's a lot of email systems that'll do that. If they click on a link of a certain email, it'll, give you additional engagement signals.